There, bench. The last step is take your pedals, and again they'll have grease on them, so hopefully you're not wearing your really nice clothes, and they're marked left and right. Okay, so you're going to first take your right pedal, which I can't really see with my glasses on. Hi, Rick. We're making a video for Benji. Take your right pedal.
How do you know it says right?
It's stamped. There's an R and an L. Take your pedal, and with your hand, thread it in. This is a right-hand thread. This is a traditional righty-tighty thread. The other side is a reverse thread, and I'll tell you why in a second. So as you pedal, this will tighten instead of loosen. And take your wrench. This is a 15 millimeter open end wrench, and just make sure it's super snug. You don't want these loose, so you'll tighten it up a little bit later. Take your left hand thread or your left pedal and do the same thing. Again, the left pedal is a reverse thread. Again, so it doesn't loosen when you pedal. So you're going lefty tighten instead of righty tighten. And you can put your wrench in there and just get it snug. Okay? Put your tools away. Put your kickstand up. And then just you want to test it, make sure the seat's in a good spot for you. So you probably already know this, but your legs should be extended. So for me, you and I are about the same height, but you'll probably have to still adjust it differently. But with the ball of your foot on the pedal, you should have pretty much full extension at the bottom of your pedal stroke. So this could still go up a little bit more for me, and the handlebars can also go up a little if you like. And that's it. Call me with questions.